In this tutorial, you will learn how to solve a supercube. Hello everyone, a supercube is a 3x3 puzzle cube that has arrows on every side. To completely solve a supercube, not only you have to solve the puzzle cube, but you will also have to point all the arrows on each side in the same direction. Are you ready to solve a supercube? Let's go! The first step to solve a supercube is to create a white cross. Unlike creating a white cross on a normal 3x3 puzzle cube, for a supercube, we will need to make sure that the arrows are pointing in the same directions, and not only on the white side, but also for the other 4 sides, except the yellow side, which is on top where we will solve it at the end. Let's take the orange side as an example. Here is our orange and white edge piece, which is already aligned with its center color. If we just rotate it down to match the white center color, you will see that both the white arrows are pointing in different directions. The same goes for the orange arrows, which are also pointing in different directions. Hence, we have to fix them first before solving the next edge piece. In order to change the direction of our center orange arrow, we will first need to rotate the edge piece to the top layer, then rotate the edge piece away from its center. Next, rotate the orange side until the arrow is pointing the same direction as the arrow on the orange and white edge piece. Like so. Next, we will also have to fix the white arrows. So the white arrow on our edge piece is pointing in this direction. Therefore, we will rotate the white side so that the center arrow is also pointing in the same direction. With that, the direction of the arrows are fixed. The rest of the white edge pieces should be easy to solve since we have already fixed the direction of our white arrow. Go ahead and solve the rest of the 3 white edge pieces. Once you have successfully created the white cross, you are ready to move on to step 2. In step 2, we'll solve the first 2 layers of our supercube. You can either use the F2L or the beginner's layer by layer method. In step 3, we'll solve the last layer of our supercube. For this step, you cannot use any advanced solving method like the OLL or PLL. This is because some of those algorithms may mess up the direction of the arrows on the first 2 layers. So you will have to use a beginner's method to solve the last layer instead. We have successfully solved our supercube. If you have done all the previous steps correctly, the arrow on your yellow center piece should either be pointing in the correct direction or 180 degrees inverted, like so. If you have a case where the arrow on your yellow center piece is pointing 90 degrees away from the correct direction, that means one or some of your center arrows are pointing incorrectly. So you will have to fix them first before solving the last layer. Alright, to rotate our yellow arrow 180 degrees back to its correct direction, simply repeat this algorithm R, U, R prime, U 5 times. Here's how it goes. With that, our super cube is completely solved. Hope you liked this tutorial video. See you on our next video and bye for now.